Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Wacom DTU-1031, and now I'm gonna show you how to change the nips on the Wacom stylus, on the Wacom pen. So basically it's very easy to do. So of course you can do it using your nails, of course you can do it using your teeth, but you can do it using your even scissors. But I suggest you use just normal piece of paper. Wait a while. So just use the piece of paper to catch the nip, and you just need to take it out. You don't need to rotate the pen, you just need to catch it. It's not too easy to do, but if you will use the scissors, it will be very easy for you. And great, here I have my nip. If you have new nips, so just rechange it and insert, so take out old nip and insert the new nip into this pen. And great, that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.